In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any song sing in any accent in Suno AI. Suno doesn't offer a direct accent switch, but you can reliably steer the vocal accent by writing the right kind of style prompt. I'll walk you through exactly where to put those words and how to phrase them so the voice lands closer to the accent you want. Start by opening Suno, heading to Create, and turning on Custom Mode. Custom Mode exposes the style box we need. That style box is where the accent control really lives. Think of it as the place where you describe the vocal performance, not just the genre. You'll want to be very explicit about the accent, the pronunciation, and the delivery. Phrases like clear accent, pronunciation, tone, and delivery give the model a strong target. In the style box, write a short, direct description that includes the accent. For a British direction, you might say emotional pop song, clear British accent vocal, London pronunciation, smooth UK tone, expressive delivery. For an American read, try modern pop song, natural American accent, clear US pronunciation, radio style vocal. If you want a Filipino flavor, use OPM style pop ballad, light Filipino accent, heartfelt delivery, emotional phrasing. For Australian, go with indie pop track, soft Australian accent vocal, relaxed pronunciation. And for a French touch, write romantic pop song, subtle French accent, soft consonants, melodic phrasing. A few important tips make a big difference. Always include the words clear accent or natural accent so the request isn't vague. Keep the accent instructions in the style section. Don't rely on the lyrics to carry the accent signal. The model treats the style prompt as performance direction, so that's where accent guidance belongs. If your first generation doesn't land the accent strongly enough, simply regenerate. Accent strength can vary from take to take, and a second or third pass often snaps into place. And keep your phrasing concise. Shorter, cleaner style prompts frequently work better than long, poetic descriptions that bury the accent note. Once you've set your style prompt, generate your track and listen closely for pronunciation clues. Vowel shapes, R sounds, and consonant softness are giveaways that the accent is there. If it's close but not perfect, tighten the style line by emphasizing clear accent, and the specific pronunciation you want, then regenerate. That's all you need. Use custom mode, put the accent in the style box, be clear and concise, and don't be afraid to regenerate until it clicks.